Sisesiqongolweni somakhe wezimkhulu wezohathi indaba nanzi ezijujileko.
I don't want to hand over to an empty chair, but the empty chair will be there. Probably symbolically hand over to that empty chair.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi kuzokuthunana khona kodwa nakunanto abangayenza bazayinikela isikhundla sobumengameli G20 America umengameli wakhona ngekho.
Sorry, commissioners. I was hit on the head with a firearm.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona isikhulu esasiphethe indaba yamalamba ahlaza enkolweni zikamasipalata weBuruleni sakhalinywana ngokubekwa isandla.
Namhlanje we are very proud ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi simele umphakathi waseGauteng.
Akhange iphumelele imizamo ye-DA yokuphakamisa bona undunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi angasathenjwa. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba godu ke SABC1 ngesindebele lotshane emakhaya.
Wokamehla selizweni lekhethu kulosinye ikhaba kanti SABC njengomkhatsho semthethweni izokuhatshela wonke umsikinyeko we-G20 Summit 2025. Fumana kokho kwenzeka-ke emkhathweni eli-18 ye-SABC. Bukela kokho kuzabe kwenzeka ku-SABC News, i-SABC Lihaye kunye naku-SABC 1, 2 no-3. Vakatshela wonke amahlelo ezikuthintana kunye ne-G20 pop-up channel ku-SABC Plus. I-G20 South Africa ngo-2025 siyilethe ekhaya.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uyokunikela ngesikhundla sikamengameli we-G20 esihlalweni esinganamuntu. Lokhu kunjengombana ilizwe le-America ebekufanele linikwele isikhundla sikamengameli we-G20 lithethe isiqundo sokubana alize embizweni le eyokubanjelwa enarhekazini ye-Afrika. uRamaphosa uthinde nendaba yokuvumela isiqhema samaPalestina afike eSouth Africa phayizolo ukuthi angene elizweni leli ngaphandle kwamaphepha afaneleko.
Cyril Ramaphosa uthi izokuraga imbizo ye-G20 nanyana ilizwe le-America lithethe isiqundo sokuthi asikazi uyikhambela imbizo le. Esikhathini esingangeveke eSouth Africa yokubamba imbizo ye-G20 yokukhanjelwa zinkhulu zamazwe ezingaphezulu kwama-40 ngaphandle kamengameli we-America uDonald Trump nomengameli we-China uXi Jinping. uRamaphosa uthi kuyoba yithwaya mlando ukunikela isikhundla sikamengameli we-G20 esitulweni esinganamuntu ebekusikhundla sikamengameli we-America.
I don't want to hand over to an empty chair, but the empty chair will be there. Probably symbolically hand over to that empty chair and then talk to President Trump and say, even though you are not here, I am now handing over to you the reins of chairing or being president of the G20.
Machuma amahlanu amaPalestina avunyelwe ukungena elizweni eliyinanyana anganawo amaphepha afaneleko. uRamaphosa uthi bekuzaba kumbi nangakhonjwe ezenga yamaPalestina ayoqalana nepi ne-Israel.
Are a people that we as South Africa have raised our hands to support. We felt that we should accept them and process their matter.
Ngokulungisa indaba yamaPalestina emvekeni ezimbalwa ezizako. Kanti kwanje ihlangano iGift of the Givers iwanikele indawo yokuhlala.
Unobhala zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi ihlangano yakhe isekela ngokuphelele kwimizamo kahulumende yokudosa amasiso ngembizo ye-G20 ebhinqelwa lapha eSouth Africa.
Umbalula uhlathulule umbuthano lo njengethuba elikhulu lokukhambiselela amahlelo wokulungisa ukuchugujuguluka kobujamo bezulu, ukuhwebelana okungathathi ihlangothi, amasiso ekuhloswe ngawo, ukuvula amathuba wemisebenzi nokusekela umnotho. Le kuzaba yimbizo yokthoma ye-G20 ukuthi izokubanjelwa eJohannesburg, injalo nje ingeyokthoma ukubanjelwa enarhakazini ye-Afrika.
The ANC welcomes South Africa's strategic leadership in the G20 summit. G20 on an African soil is significant not only for South Africa, but for the African continent. South Africa enters the G20 as a respected voice of the Global South, champion on reform of global financial institutions and equitable climate transition and fairer trade and investment frameworks.
Kamise bona amaSewula Afrika asekele imizamo kahulumende wathi imbizo le ingavulela amasiso wamabhiliyoni ngamabhiliyoni wamaranda begodu iqinise ubudlelwano obungaraha obuchaka kuqede ukuhlogeka kwemisebenzi nokungalingani.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga izwe bona umkhulumeli wamapholisa kaMagistrata wekuruleni wakhalinywa njani batsho wabekwa nesandla. Umkhulumeli longo wathindanisa umjaphethe wesikhulu esiphethe amapholisa kilo masipalata uJulius Mkhwanazi.
Izenzo zokuphula umthetho ekusola bona zenziwa sikhulu samapholisa kamasipala wekuruleni esijanisiweko uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. Lokhu kuveze umkhulumeli wamapholisa kamasipala uLieutenant Colonel Kelebogile Thepe nabekethula ubufakazi kanti wakhuluma nangendlela akhalinywa ngayo ngemva kwensolo zokuthi uMkhwanazi wafakela uVusimuzi Kate Matlala amalampa amapholisa enkoleni zakhe nokuthi iofisi lokuthindana lomnyango lo lapha kwangeofisini likamphathi kamasipala.
When the initial inquiry came to me and it had made reference to Mr. Vusimuzi Kate Matlala, I didn't know the gentleman from a bar of soap. I only got to learn of him as things transpired within the city and South Africa in its entirety. But above all, the fact that communication would be restricted in one office, then that just gave me the shivers in saying that what exactly is at play here.
Uthepe ukhulume nangokusahlela kwakhe akhola bona kuthindana nangendlela akhuluma ngayo ngendaba yamalampa ahlaza. Ikomishini izebona ngovela abahlinze ka2023 uthepe wasahlela amadoda amathathu amlandela ngekoloyi wambeka isigidi entanyeni.
Initially I thought, yes, a knife that's going to slit my throat, only to discover that that is a firearm. And that, you know, I think what hurt me the most with everything that was said at that point, it was then, it is things that are work related. And the fact that, you know, they want a phone from me and the information which they want, and the fact that they would be, sorry, commissioners. I was hit on the head with a firearm.
Nakusenjalo ufakazi D ofakaze ngemva kwakaThepe ukhulume ngendaba ekhe yaphatha emalangeni adluleko la yokubulawa komnikazi wesitolo walahlela isidumbu sakhe ngemlanjeni mapholisa ekusola bona asebenzisana noMkhwanazi. Ufakazi D utshela ikomishini bona wanikela umsebenzi wokuyokulahla isidumbu ecaleni ekusola bona kabe kufuze kubengela ukuthelisa ngokufuna imali ngekani kodwa kwaba nobuchapho.
Shortly afterwards, they returned to where we were. JD Mkhwanazi said that we needed to throw the suspect's body into a mine shaft or dump it into a dam. As he said this, he looked at me. Viandre then in turn informed me that I must take the body and dump it. They will show me where and that I should relax. Since my vehicle is marked, Viandre said it won't attract any attention.
Akhange iphumelele imizamo yeDA yokulinga ukwethula isichukumiso sokungasamthembi uNdunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi. Inhlangano zepolitiki eziningi zisiphayile isichukumiswesi.
Buyele kwasifuba eqenjini iDemocratic Alliance eGauteng njengoba belishayela phezulu leliqembu linesiqiniseko sokuthi uzotshatha imgodla yakhe aphume kweSkandunankulu uPanyaza Lesufi. Ngemva kokuvotelwa kwesiphakamiso sokungabethembu ubuholi bakhe, amaqembu ayingxenye yesishayamthetho sesifundazwe athi abengeke avote neDA ngoba lokho efuna ukwenza iDA akuhlangene nawo.
We all agreed that this motion is frivolous, that it's reckless, and that it will create unnecessary instability, and that the government of provincial unity is working so well, and that all the parties that are in the government of provincial unity have confirmed that indeed we are working well together.
As the IFP, we could not support a motion that will plunge our province again into a crisis of not having a government. Therefore, for us, we see it as just political posturing. It has nothing to do with issues that have been raised. The issues, the DA has all the rights. They are members of the legislature. They sit in all portfolio committees. They must hold the premier accountable.
You know, it's an open secret that they are the ones who actually voted for Panyaza Lesufi in on the basis that he would have obviously exercised patronage and offered them some level of strategic portfolios that they need to run, and subsequently to that they had removed and divorced themselves away from this.
Umholi Democratic Alliance uSoli Msimang uthi iqembu alikuthathi lokhu njengokwehluleka kodwa bayayiqhenya ngokwenzekile.
Mhlanje proud ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi simele umphakathi waseGauteng lapho khona uJazondo wile wasitshela ereportini yakhe kuZondo Commission ukuthi singamaqembu wepolitiki kumele ukuthi sibambe igovernment to account, and this is one of the things ebesiyenza namhlanje ukuthi sibambe igovernment to account, a government esizamile ngamaqesha amaningi ukuthi sihlale nabo phansi sibonisane nabo, but they have failed to sit down with us.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Umbuso Sitshaba wakwaManala Mpongo nowakwaNzunza Fene babambe umhlangano wokulungisa izinto ngemva kobana ikhotha kaMagistrata wakwaMhlanga eMpumalanga yanikela imikhandlu lemibili amalanga ambalwa ukuthi iyokukhulumisana ngendabamraro yokukhandela ukuphakanyiswa kwekosana esigodini E219 e-Enkeldoorn Port eSheldon.
Iparlamente yakwaMhlanga kulapho bekuhlangene isigungu esidoswa phambili ngusihlalo mlamuli welanga uBrigadier Lindiwe Dlamini ongukommissionara wentetshi ezincanga kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Umhlangano lo uza ngemva kokuthi ikhotho yabanikela amalanga ambalwa ukuthi bayokukhulumisana babonisane babuye sebanomhlahlandlela kiyo malungana nokuthi bagcine ngani ngendaba yokuqindeliswa komnyanya wokubekwa kwekosana eyayiphakanyiswa esigodini E219 eNkeldoorn Port ebekufanele iphakanyiswe ubukhosi bakwaFele. Kodwa nabakwaManala Mpongo bathumela incwadi evimbela umsebenzi onjalo. Abosihlalo bekundla ebeyihlanganyelwe namagcwetha wabo bathembisene ukuthobelana ngezwano. Bathamehlo amabili abona kude ngobubili bawo. Bavumelene ngokuhlanganyela nombuso ohlanganyela indaba zamakhosi nezokuhlaliswa komphakathi.
Sibonisene sabonisana ukuthi into ebalekile kukhulukhulu ukuhlala phasi ukuthatha iphepha silibeke lapha sibize lababhala amagazethi ngoba simandebele siyafana siyazwana mara kufika iphepha lasilisa phakathi mayigcina kwelanga sabona ukuthi into ebalekile kukhulukhulu ukuhlala phasi ukuya ekhotho ngeke kwenza ukuthi sibuyisane
manje ibukhosi mahlangothi omabili sithethe isinqumo sokuthi sizokubiza ukhokta azositshela ke manje ukuthi ke sidlula njani ke la ngoba ziyahlukanisa lezi zinto and especially isitshaba.
Ngingumapande Thombeni wendabeni ze-SABC.
Nasibuya entolo. Kumnandi kulila inodo kuthokozela ilanga lokubelethwa likagogo wesitshaba ugogo uNositokana eGodwana eMpumalanga. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Ukhunjule ngobuntu bakhe isizo bekangilo kubalingani bakhe nokusebenza kwakhe ngokuzikhandla umfundi wendaba kuKwekwezi FM ye-SABC uThemba Sindane. Ikonzo yezikhumbuzo ibanjwe lemzimkhulu we-SABC M1 Studios eJohannesburg. Kanti umbiki indaba we-SABC uphindile Msiza usihlangelele nakho kumiko.
Bodwa ingilelesi phela ezizafuneka ezife. Akusiba abantu abanobudlwangu ekufuneke bakhambe ephasini kodwa nakufuneke kukhambe nabantu abalungileko.
Lokhu kufakazela inkulumo zabantu abaphile nonzotho zokuthi ube mumuntu olungileko okhutheleko nozithandela amahlaya Inkulu ze-SABC zibuke uthemba ngokulonda nekuthuthukiseni ilimi lesiNdebele.
We needed more people like Utemba to teach and pass this language, this beautiful treasure of the isiNdebele heritage to the young ones. Because we every time struggle to hire people who speak the languages. These kids, they speak English, they come from university with glorious CVs, but you ask them to translate a simple paragraph. They can't. They can't. The people who are at the SABC as the broadcasters in the languages are the most important people that the SABC has. I'm saying this based on facts. I'll give you a simple example. Our English service stations, like your SABC News Channel, like your SAFM, they hardly gather 200,000 listeners or viewers. But when you get to the language stations, all our language television channels reach up to 14 million viewers per week. 1 week.
IsiNdebele hlangana kwamanye amalimi akhulunywa babantu abancazana eSouth Africa nawuqathanisa nezinye inchaba. Sithoka omunye nomunye umuntu ongasiza ukuthi sikwazi ukusifundisa. Namhlanje siwe eMentown. Silimele khulu SABC. Siza lapha nje sizokuthi mahlokohloko anikalinyalelo nodwa.
Kubudisi ukuthola umuntu okhuluma ngendlela ekufanele ukuthi kukhulunywe ngayo before umuntu uyaphekwa before ayokwenza indaba. Sithembele kuye ukuthi nje usala bona abazokusala bayiguke into le la esichiya khona bakhambe nayo uThemba udecide otherwise.
Abaphathi bakanzotho abasuka naye emhathweni womphakathi iKCRS FM bakhulume bazwisa ubuhlungu.
Engikhumbulako ukuthi sinoThemba kunezipi esizileko sobabili sazithumba. Ngiyathokoza ungifundisile ukujama, ungifundisile bakutshela kuhle ukuthi nangithi iMarathama ngiyokwenzani, athi no my sister don't worry, I'm here ngizokusiza.
Themba ngithoma ukumazi siseKangala Community Radio ngo 2003 sazama impilo sonke sisagijimisa amabhudango wethu sithi sifuna ukuzibona ngelinye ilanga sise SABC, sifuna ukuzibona sise Kwekwezi FM sihatsha khona.
Nabahathi bendaba balila kangako ngokukhamba kwakhe uSindane.
Ngimthatha njengomholi. Khambanga naso isikhundla esiphezulu ngoba kucatshangwa ukuthi umuntu nakamholi kufanele abe nesikhundla. Kodwa izenzo zakhe sitshengise ubuholi. Ikhono bekata nalo ukubuka omunye umuntu nenza kuhle. Anesibindi angasabi ukuthi nawenza okhunye yena angakwazi uzaba umdlule. Ngikho ngithi ngimthatha njengomholi.
uThemba ngendlela ekade sekungakho kimi. uThemba bese liyafana nomfowethu. uThemba beyangase yicolleague kimi. uThemba bekangumfowethu ngoba sathi nasifika la eJohannesburg sathola iroom nyana elincane nje. uThemba bekalala la ngilala la. uThemba bekuthi nakufike abakhozi bami uThemba beka offera ukuhlika embedeni athi yokulala dining room. Ngithi Themba you can't ukuthi ungachiya umbhede akho ngime kufanele ukuthi ngichiye umbhede because of laba abantu beze ngami la. Athi no man wena mntwana ungawari futhi bekathanda ukuthi relax.
Umndeni uthi kuwe isika yekhaya.
All is well, even though ukuthatha like isikhathi ukuthi siphole, but ke through God sizokuphola.
uNzotho uphekelelwa kibo esemkhulu kusasa ekonzweni ezabe iseholweni yakwaPhahla esiyabuswa eMpumalanga. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Amakhulukhulu abantu bebabuthene eKgodwana ahlangana kwaMhlanga neKangala eMpumalanga ukuyogidinga iminyaka ema-90 ubudala yomgwalo ogwala ngesindebele odume iphasi lonke uDr Esther Mahlangu owaziwa ngoNostokane esitshabeni samaNdebele. Umnyanya lo bewubanjwe namhlanje.
Minyango kahulumende ehlukahlukeneko, ababelani, amakhosi, inkolo, ama-university nesitshaba sonke esiphume ngobunengi namhlanje kuyogidinga noDr Esther Mahlangu iminyaka ema-90 ubudala njengoba bekagidinga ilanga lakhe lokubelethwa ngelesibili nje. Ugogo ngokubelethwa nguNanduli wabelethwa ngomnyaka ka-1935 emaplasini weMiddelburg eMpumalanga. Kanti waveza ubuthakgha bakhe bogwala selihlawana. Kwathi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi wagcina sekaduma iphasi lonke ngokugwala imigwalo yesindebele asebenzisa isiba lekukhu. Uhulumende weMpumalanga uthe lembedla yomnyanya abayibambe namhlanje bagidinga iminyaka ema-90 kagogo ngombana uligugu lesitshaba.
Ilanga lokugidinga, ilanga lamachachacha, nelanga lokubhina, nelanga esithi sizothi halala gogo ngombereko owenzileko. Phakama gogo Esther, doctor!
Ingwenyama yesitshaba samaNdebele uMakhosoke wesibili uphumelele naye ukuyokuthokozisa ugogo noStokana.
Sithi kuhle abantu ababe nombono wokuthi kube nalo mgidingo namhlanje silapha azohalaliselwa saphila. Abantu sesajwayela ukukhuluma ngabantu sebangasekho. Abantu sesajwayela ukwenzela abantu nabangasekho. Kuyinto ehle khulu namhlanje sokuthi enzelwe lo mnyanya asaphila begodi aphiwe izipho asaphila.
Ezinye inkhulumi zithi leli khono elingalinganisekiko elinothe ngobu-Afrika fuze kuqinisekise ukuthi liyakhamseleleka lingachabalali. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka.
Asiqale imfisela buhle ezivela kuwembukeli ukugidinga ilanga lokubelethwa likaDr Esther Nostokana Mahlangu. Nakumbono wakho uyalamela.
Happy birthday Gogo Mahlangu. Happy birthday to you.
90 years akusukudlala. Ngathi ungadlwela ngale gogo. Zimu abe nawe akuthudibaza.
Happy birthday Gogo Nostokana. Uyidlalile indima yakhe.
Happy birthday Gogo Esther. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray.
Happy birthday Gogo wase South Africa. Happy birthday Gogo womhlaba wonke jikelele.
Ngalendlela isindebele siphezulu ngakhona ngithi khula gogo uyibambe njalo uzima kuthudubaze.
Umdali engathi ngamgcina njalo khule azakhokho bebone nabazukulu.
Asike sithi nje happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kezemidlalo amajimbo azilungiselela ukubambana neJapan kusasa emidlalweni wesigaba sokukhiphana senqhema ezima-32 ebhikirini yephasi kuFIFA Under 17. Asikhambise ukuqala ke ubujamo bezulu banamhlanje. Sithokozile kwevekele asibonane ngeveke zako umusa.